Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how to change thumbnail of YouTube video. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. Open your browser, then open your YouTube. So if you already uploaded a video on YouTube and change a thumbnail of this video, simply go to YouTube Studio or Creator Studio. Now move to videos. Here is the video. Now change the thumbnail of this video. Simply click on pencil mark, scroll down and here is the thumbnail. Now press on a three dots where you can see the options. Press on it and here you can see that change and download option. Press on change. After pressing on change, select a new thumbnail. Now press open and here you can see that the thumbnail is changed. Now press on save. So after pressing save, back to creator or YouTube Studio, refresh it. So after refreshing, you can see that the thumbnail is changed. So guys, this is a simple way to change a thumbnail of YouTube video. Hope this video helped to solve your problem how to change a thumbnail of YouTube video. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.